Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we have to remind you that this video is not financial advice and that we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. So this is how the video will go. First, a bit of overview about Dogecoin. Then, we will talk a bit about the Dogecoin price. Then, where people can buy Doge. And lastly, what the future holds for Doge and a price prediction to 2025. Dogecoin was started as a joke by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jack C. Palmer from Sydney, Australia. They used a popular Doge meme as the namesake. The first Dogecoin block was mined on December 8, 2013. Today, there are over 100 billion Dogecoins in circulation, with an estimated value of $48 million at the time. Dogecoin is similar to Litecoin, which means it's a cryptocurrency that uses script technology to secure transactions and create coins. It has not been without controversy, though. But all cryptocurrencies have had drama attached to them because people just love conflict and fighting about technology. Some people think that Dogecoin is pointless and shouldn't be taken seriously. These people are also known as haters. These Dogecoin haters were actually responsible for a dead cat bounce that happened after the coin had reached an all-time low. A dead cat bounce is a small price increase following a sharp decline in stock prices, commodities, etc. After this short-lived spike, many people lost hope and decided to sell their coins, which caused the value of Dogecoin to plummet. The haters rejoiced. Then out of nowhere, Jackson Palmer announced that he was leaving Dogecoin behind him and would no longer take part in its development or upkeep because it's a waste of time. This did not sit well with sheeps, what Dogecoin followers call themselves. So they banded together and reached out to a member of the original Bitcoin team, a man named Max Kaiser. Max is one of the sheep's idols, and he decided to take on their plea by telling people that there will be a 1 Dogecoin equal $1 within 18 months. He also agreed that it's not a silly idea, but at the end of his video, he encourages everyone watching it to create their own cryptocurrency. After hearing about the pleas from sheeps everywhere, Palmer joins back in on developing Dogecoin yet again, making them whole. Even though this was great news for all the sheeps, some people just would rather see Dogecoin fail than succeed. At first, while more sheeps were coming into play, while more cryptophobes, people who are afraid of cryptos, were coming in as well. After finding out that there are many shibes around the world, they quickly became friends and even donated money to help with the Jamaican bobsled team so they could go to Sochi for the Olympics. Not only did they receive attention from the various news outlets, but also gained a spot on CNBC, which is better than most cryptocurrencies. It's not a waste of time to be part of such a unique movement that promotes kindness and also warns that cryptos are here to stay, no matter how much people fight against them. So far, Dogecoin has been one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies around, and for good reason. It has an abundance of users and is very stable due to its large market cap, larger than some altcoins, which means it gets more trading volume, which leads to less fluctuation in its value. There's no need for fancy mining gear or expensive GPUs. You can mine Dogecoins using only your CPU. All these factors make it a great coin to mine and invest in. Not only that, but Dogecoin community members are known for their kindness and generosity, as they have been donating Dogecoins to various causes, such as charities or crowdfunding campaigns hosted on the popular platform called Crowdfund Doge, which is something new crypto users should take into account. Dogecoin has been around for almost 2 years now, and its user base is continuing to grow with no signs of slowing down. So it's definitely worth your time and effort to at least read up more about it if you don't feel like investing any money just yet. So how much is the current Dogecoin price? The current price of 1 Dogecoin at the moment is around 0.000547 USD, with approximately 16 million USD worth traded each day across all major cryptocurrency exchanges. More than 90% of trades are done with Bitcoin. However, Ethereum and Litecoin also rank in the top 5. Where is Dogecoin accepted? Can I buy a house with it? Dogecoin has been used to facilitate several commerce transactions, including buying and selling goods and services through online retailers such as WordPress and Reddit. More recently, there have been some offline purchases made with Dogecoin too. For example, Someone bought a car in North Carolina with 100 million coins, which means they paid 55,000 USD. You can't buy houses or cars from cryptocurrency exchanges, though. Is the coin limited by its total supply of coins? Why must this be an issue? How does this compare to other cryptocurrencies? There will only ever be 100 billion Dogecoin created, which is significantly less than the coins of other cryptocurrencies. For example, there will be 21 million Bitcoin available by 2140, and Ethereum isn't capped at all. It's thought that this may drive the price up due to demand outweighing supply. What does the future hold for Dogecoin? How much could one coin cost in 2025? It's really difficult to predict what might happen with any cryptocurrency over time because they lack intrinsic value like real-world currencies do. But considering how popular it has become already, despite how it started, if the growth of Dogecoin continues, it would make sense that one coin could potentially be worth more than $1 by 2025. With everything that we have been showing you on the video, we are not really sure what exactly the price would be. But with all this utility coming to Doge and bringing it more and more use, and with an epic community like us, we're sure that the future for Doge is in the green. We are sure that as time passes by, you'll see it many more new and exciting stuff about this project. So all we really have to do is to sit nicely, drink a cup of coffee, and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, this sums up today's video. Of course, if you have enjoyed this video, then be sure to leave a like. And if you are still not subscribed to our channel, then this is the best time to do so. Feel free to leave any comments at any time regarding anything that involves the crypto world, and especially if it's about Doge. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you on the next video. Have an epic day.